Okay, now let's move on to number 5. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, can you please read number 5?
Find the percent uncertainty of the measurement shown below. How will you write the value of the measurement?
Okay, anong hinahanap?
Percent uncertainty.
Okay, how do you find percent uncertainty?
Hanapin mo na yung delta x and x.
Okay.
Kailangan hanapin yung uncertainty tsaka average.
Uh-huh.
Hindi pa yung average, yung sa 300.
Correct.
And average na yun.
So, ano yung x? What is x?
300.
300. What is delta x?
Delta x, unknown? Wala pa?
Really?
5 cm.
Very good. So,
Okay.
in this problem, this is quite straightforward. So, you have x. Diba? Sabi natin, ang form niya is x plus minus delta x. Correct?
Okay.
Right. So, what is x again?
300.
What is delta x?
5 centimeters.
Right. How do you find the percent uncertainty?
Yung formula ulit, yung x ay delta x over x times 100%.
Very good. Can you do that in your calculator?
Sure. Delta x. 300. Ah, 0.016.
And then?
Yun na. And then, gagawin siyang percentage.
Before you do that, before you convert that into percentage, how do you report this value? Ito ba yung tamang reported value?
Anong reported value?
Yung uncertainty. Yung uncertainty mo ay 0.016, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Sabi natin one unit, the smallest unit.
So, yung 0?
0.02. Very good. So 0.02. When you express that in percent form, what is this?
2%.
Very good.
Oh.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now let's move on. Do you have questions?
Wala na po.
Clear?
Na.
Promise?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait. So, ito lang.
Sige,
So,
go.
yung sinolve ko na 0.016, that is uncertainty lang.
Correct.
So, kailangan natin siyang i-convert para maging siyang percent uncertainty.
Correct.
Okay. Gets ka na.
All right. Now, let's move on to part B. Part B, you have a table with different values. You have the inner diameter and the outer diameter. You have 6 trials. How do you get the average?
Add all of them, then divide by how many values?
Okay, so can you please get the average for the inner diameter?
$2.65.
Very good. All right. Now, do you have a formula for standard deviation?
Pero nakalimutan ko na.
Meron kayo sa lecture nyo?
Di ko check pa.
Sige, hanapin mo nga.
Ito yata yun ah. So, ito ba?
Wait up. Messenger, right?
Yes. Wait.
Okay, correct. Sige. Galing to sa teacher mo?
So, may module.
Okay. Okay, let's try this. Kung tama. Okay, now let's try this. Sige.
Sige.
All right. So I'm gonna share my screen. Okay. So based on your formula, so let's talk about the inner diameter. So you're looking for standard deviation. Which one is the standard deviation based on your formula?
Yung uncertainty.
Uncertainty. What is N?
Number of items.
What is the number of items?
6.
Very good. What is xi?
Variable.
What is the variable?
Oh. Hindi ko sure.
So yung variable mo, xi, would be your trial number. So for example, yung first trial mo would be 2.66. So that's variable, 2.66.
Oh.
What is itong x bar?
Yung average.
Right. What's the value of your x bar?
2.65?
Very good. So I suggest when you solve problems like this, gumawa ka ng table. Kasi kailangan mong mahanap, meron ka ditong variable minus mean, correct?
Apa.
So you have to make a table, list all the variables. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
And then get the difference nung variable minus the mean. Get the difference and then square the difference.
Okay.
Square the difference. Afterwards, you get all the sum. Itong malaking I na ito, ang ibig sabihin yan, summation. You get all of the sum.
Okay.
Okay? Wait up. Let me write that down para hindi ko malito. So yung I na yan, ibig sabihin summation. Equal yan sa sum. So, for this example, sabi natin, variable minus mean. Gumawa ka ng table, list all the variables, subtract each variable from the mean, and then square all the differences and get the sum.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Okay, so I want you to do this on your paper. I'll give you some time. I want you to tell me what the sum is.
Okay.
Do this on your paper.
Sum ng ko. Sum ng.
So, isa-isahin natin. Hanapin mo muna yung variable minus mean. Sabi ko, first column, the variable. Second column, variable minus mean. So I want you to find the variable minus mean first.
Okay.
Okay, do it on your paper.
Yes, okay.
Tell me when you're done.
Pwede pabalik dun sa table?
Huh?
Pabalik sa table?
Sorry. Wait up.
Sige.
Ito. Ay, sorry. Ito. Can you see?
Yan, yan.
Sige.
Yes. So, ang average ko is yung ano, di ba? Ang average ko is yung 2.65 ba?
Very good.
Yung mean. Yung mean.
Yes.
So, yung variable minus 2.65. Lahat ng
Correct.
variable?
Yes.
Okay.
Isa-isa.
Okay. Gets. Ano yung next after nun?
After that, so isa-isa nakuha mo yung difference. Pwede mo ba sa akin
Yes.
i-dictate ano yung mga differences?
0.01, 0.02,
Mhm.
0.01,
Mhm.
and then negative 0.01.
Correct? Right.
Negative 0.1.
Correct. Now that you got the differences, sabi dito, look at the formula. Sabi, variable minus mean squared. So, kailangan mo i-square lahat ng differences.
Okay. Okay, after nun,
So, ano yung values mo?
0.0001, 0.0004,
Mhm.
negative 0.4.
Is it 0.004?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I know. Okay, Josh. So ito,
Oo.
for this example, dun sa number 2, di ba?
Apo.
I know. Right. So yung mean mo actually is not exactly 2.65, correct?
Yes.
Right. So when I write down values, I try to write two more decimal points just to be sure.
Oh, okay.
Kasi you end up estimating so much.
Oh, okay.
So be careful with this. So instead of just using the value 2.65, maybe try to use the value 2.6517.
Okay.
Ngayon, depende kung ano yung requirement ng teacher mo. Yung ibang teachers, okay lang na nag-overestimate ka. Pero, pag nag-research ka, di ba, masyadong malaki yung magiging error mo kung nag-estimate ka ng bongga. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I want you to practice using this. So instead of just using 2.65, I want you to use 2 more decimal digits. Okay? Sige. For this activity, okay lang. Pero mamaya, for the outer diameter, I want you to use more decimal digits. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, ano yung ulit yung value, yung squared?
0.0001, 0.0004, 0.0001, and then negative 0.0001.
Dapat wala ka ng negative kasi negative squared will be
Positive.
very
Oh,
good.
okay.
Careful.
Okay.
So after getting the squared, yung squared, kukunin mo na yung sum ng mga squares. Can you tell me what the sum of the squares are?
.0009.
Very good. Okay, very good. Now, ito yon, yung 0.0009, equal yan dito sa value na to, itong summation of blah, blah, blah.
Yung buo na yan,
Yang buong to, oo. So, ito yung 0.009. Now, divide that by
n minus 1.
what is n minus 1?
6 minus 1, 5.
Right. So, get 0.009 divided by 5.
.0.00018.
And then get the square root of that thing.
.0.01341.
Very good. Now, how do you express that as a standard deviation? Sabi natin, standard deviation is the same as uncertainty. How do you express the final answer?
Percent form pa din siya or?
Hindi.
Okay. So, 0.1.
Is it 0.1?
Wait. 0.01.
Very good. So that's the
Oh.
standard deviation. Ano yung probability limit?
Ano yun?
Yung probability limit mo is actually similar to the value here in number 2, yung lowest and highest points.
Okay.
So what is now the probability limit? What are the probability limits?
Galing siya sa variable.
Galing siya sa average and standard deviation. It's simply the average plus the standard deviation or the average minus the standard deviation. So for number
So-
1, what is the probability limit?
So, 2.65 plus or minus 0.0009. Ay, ba yan? 9 ba?
0 point
0.000.
eh?
Wait, no. 0.01.
Very good. So ano yung value?
Value na. Probability.
Probability limit.
Uh,
Dalawa.
2.65 plus 0.01 and then 2.65 minus 0.01.
So what are those?
Probability limit.
Yeah, ano siya? Ano yung 2.65 plus 0.01?
2.66 and then 2.64
cm.
cm. Yes.
Very good.
Okay.
So for the probability limit, you can express your answer as 2.65 plus minus 0.01 or 2.64 to 2.66 centimeters.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
All right. Now, I want you to do for the second step. I'll check your answer later.
Okay.
Can you chat me later on when you're done?
Sige.
Okay. All right.
End ka na?
Thank you.
Wait. So,
Okay. What else?
pwede mo pa i-explain sa akin yung sa may chemistry?
Sure. Sige. Can you
Yung-
return to this call?
Opo,
Wait up.
wait.
Can you return to this call?
Ha?